Welcome to this 4-bed, 2-bath in Prime Hell's Kitchen with this absolutely eye-catching living space. The living space on this apartment is so bright and so open. The dangling flowers are optional, but this really is a great space to sit and spend time with your roommates, watch the game, hang out. Also, note that this living space is completely separate from the kitchen. So you have some nice kitchen separation. I'm just turning around. We'll visit the bedrooms in a minute. But you've gotten lots of light and lots of space. You could really fit any size dining table, coffee table, as big a sofa as you want. It's all going to work out really well. Let's go ahead and head down the hall and start out in the kitchen. You have a nice, spacious, comfortable kitchen to cook in with lots of cabinets. You have a glass-faced cabinet there. You have a breakfast bar. You can use that for food prep. You could put a few stools and actually eat here, although honestly, with so much space in the living area, it's a very comfortable spot to eat there too. And again, this apartment does not feel cramped. It really flows very well. The foyers are wide. So now that we've visited the living room, let's start out with the bedrooms and bathrooms. This is bathroom number 1. It is right by the front door. The other bathroom is en suite. It does have a window. It has some black and white pre-war tile finishes, and it has a decent sized tub. So this is bathroom number 1. Okay, I'm back out into the foyer. I'm heading past the kitchen, back into the living room. I'm going to start with this primary bedroom here because this has the second bath, which is en suite. This is a very spacious bedroom. You can fit a king-size bed in here. There is a closet. There's room for a desk. And there's really room for a bookshelf or a dresser. And here is the second bathroom, which is en suite from this primary bedroom. I'm going to step around inside the bathroom. And again, this too has a nice big bright window. We're on the 3rd floor, by the way. There is an elevator in this building, so no hauling up the stairs. Okay. I'm going to do this street-facing bedroom next. This is also a very comfortable sized bedroom, no problem with a queen. You could also do a king. There's room for a desk. Here's a peep outside. Onto 46th Street, you have lots of nice light. There is a closet there. And again, you really could put a bit more furniture in here. You could have a dresser, shelves, a bookcase. Okay, we are going to head on over to this bedroom. This bedroom is a bit more compact, but again, it has a nice wide window, and it does have a closet. You just want to sit here and relax. It's a really inviting living space. Okay. And here is bedroom number 4. This bedroom does not have a closet. They are using an armoire here to create storage space, but it does have room for a desk and a bed, and you can decide what size bed fits best here for you. So there we go. You certainly will be the first one to get the coffee if you're in that bedroom, because the kitchen is nice and convenient. So there we go, 4 beds, 2 baths in prime Hell's Kitchen.